Good evening, students. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Tried any numericals, Sarita, yesterday? Any numericals tried, guys? Understood? What is the main part of the heights and distances are called applications of trigonometry? Are you clear? Is everyone is clear? What we are going to do? What kind of numericals we may face from the applications of trigonometry?
Yes, sir.
We done how many numericals?
5, sir.
5. So we'll continue from that.
Yes, sir.
May I know the chapter number?
So chapter number 9.
Chapter number 9. Then up to 9 questions. Yeah. So same. We have to remember the standard angles of all trigonometric ratios, and we have to remember basic definitions of the trigonometric expressions. That's only the job here. Yeah. So we'll continue from 6th today. So I will give some time to complete, please. What is the first step of these questions? What is the first point? So visualize the situation and try to draw the diagram related to it. Identify what are the angles is important and what are the things need to calculate. See here some distances you have to calculate. I want to say blindly some distances you are going to calculate, distance between 2 points or the height of something, or distance between observer and something, and distance between object and something, some related to distance you are going to calculate. So try to solve the 6th one. Let's see, I am going to give you 2-3 minutes time to complete the 6th one. Try your own first.
Sir?
Anyone got the answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, I got as 19√3, sir.
19 let's see, we will solve here. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter. So here observer height is also considered. Only we can able to solve the question. So there are the situations where you are not going to consider the height of the observer, but here clearly mentioned if they gave means you have to consider the observer height. So a 1.5 meter tall boy. So the height of the person is 1.5 meter. Suppose AB is the boy. And standing at some distance from the 30 meter tall building. So there is a building and he's standing some distance. So PQ is the building and which is a height of 30 meter. The angle of elevation from his height to the top of the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. So when he is observing at one position, he observed this angle of elevation is 30 degrees. And he walks towards the building. It clearly mentions. Initially, it is at 30 degrees, and he walks towards the building. Obviously, he want to raise the height a little bit more if he is approaching the building. So, angle of elevation after he walks up to a point C and C dash. This will be 60 degrees. So, he is asking find the distance he walked. He is asking the BC value. So how to calculate the BC? If I am able to calculate BQ and CQ value, it will be easy to calculate the BC value. If I am taking this is R, so here QR is 1.5 meter. Then this will be 28.5 meter. So from the triangle PAR, tan 30 will be equal to opposite of 30 is 28.5 divided by adjacent side of 30 is BQ. So from here BQ is equal to 28.5 by tan 30. What is the value of tan 30, students? 1 by root 3. Will you agree? So this will be 28.5 root 3 meter. Same as from the triangle PC dash R, tan 60 will be equal to 28.5 divided by C dash R, which is C dash R will be equal to 28.5 by root 3. 28.5 by root 3, which can be written as 28.5 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3, how many times? 27. So 9.5 times. So 9.5 root 3. What is the answer you got, madam? So BC will be equal to BQ minus CQ. BQ is nothing but AC dash, and sorry, we want AC dash. BQ is nothing but AR minus C dash R, or which is 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. So the distance he walked is how much? 19 root 3. Correct. 19 root 3 meter. The distance he walked is 19 root 3 meter. Is it clear, students? Are you clear with the question?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear with the question? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We go to the next question. Anyone having any doubts, students? We can go to the next question. Yes.
No doubt, sir.
Calculate this question. Try this question. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation on the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building is 45 degrees to 60 degrees. So there is a building. On the top of the building, there is a transmission tower, and this is the ground. There is a point on the ground. This is observation point. AB is the building, and on the top of the building there is a transmission tower BC. And an observer is observing the angle of elevations of top of a 20-meter high building. So this height of the building is 20 meters. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevations of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed on the top of a 20-meter high building. So the building height is 20 meters, and he is observing bottom of the tower, top of the tower. So he is observing bottom of the tower and top of the tower. So the bottom of the tower, when he observed, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. When we observe the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. And he is asking us to calculate what, students? Find the height of the tower. Here, there is two right angle triangles, which is OAB and OCA, or OAC and OAB. So, how to calculate? If you are able to calculate OA distance, then it will be easy to calculate AC. If I got the AC value, So subtraction AB will use the BC value. So ultimate goal is need to calculate BC, where BC is the height of the transmission tower.
Sir, the angles are 45 degree and 60 degrees, sir.
This is, sorry guys, this is 45 degrees. Transmission tower, and AB is the height of the building that is given, height of the building. O is the observation point.
Which class?
On the ground. So OA is the distance from the observation point to the building, that he is not asking. But if I am having OA, it will be easy to calculate. So need to calculate BC. BC is nothing but, to calculate BC, what is required? AC I want and AB I want. AC minus AB. So I don't have BC, I don't have AC, I am having only AB. That is equal to 20 meter. So if I want to calculate AC, definitely I want OA, or at least I want OC. So from triangle OAB, tan 45 is equal to AB by OA. That will be equal to 20 by OA is equal to 1. From here, OA is equal to 20 meter. So with the help of OA, from triangle OAC, tan 60 is equal to how much? AC by OA. Opposite side of the 60 degrees by adjacent side of the 60 degrees. AC I don't know. OA is from the previous step 20. So AC is equal to 20 root 3 meter, because tan 60 is 20 root 3. We want BC. BC is nothing but AC minus AB. AC is 20 root 3 meter minus 20. The answer is 20 of root 3 minus 1 meter, or you can write as 20 into 0.732. You can give it like that, doesn't matter. Multiply and we will get the answer is 14.64 meter. Is it clear? Got the same answer? Yeah, 20 of root 3 minus 1 is the answer. Super. Very tough. Good. Shall I move to the next question? Done. We'll move to the next question.
Yes, sir. Sir, can't we keep it like 20 of root 3 minus 1, sir?
Yeah, 20 of root 3 minus 1, you can keep it. You can keep it as 20 of root 3 minus 1 also. It doesn't require you have to solve. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next question. Seventh is completed. So 8th question. A statue of 1.6 meters tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point of angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is, that is nothing but the bottom of the statue is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. Same as the previous question. Instead of building, it is a pedestal. Instead of statue, sorry, instead of tower, it is in a statue. But they gave the statue height. They're asking us pedestal height here. In the previous case, they gave the building height, and they're asking us the tower height. So try to solve this question. Please, students, please solve this question. Everyone done? So I'm going to draw the diagram. Suppose this is a pedestal. Is pedestal like a? It's not like a stand. They will construct like this kind of thing to keep the statues. This is called a pedestal. So I'm going to draw in 2D diagram, so I don't want to mess. So on this there is a statue. This is a statue, for example. Make it as a statue. So AB is the pedestal, BC is the statue. The height of the statue is 1.6 meter. So AB is the pedestal, BC is the statue, and there is a point on the ground, and that is observation point O. Is observing the top of the pedestal, that is nothing but bottom of the statue and top of the statue. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. At the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, that is bottom of the statue, is 45 degrees. And he is asking us to calculate the AB value. So first, with the help of tan 45 from triangle. OAB, it is AB by OA. AB is height of the pedestal, OA is also we don't know, but the height of the pedestal is OA tan 45, which is equal to OA into 1. So the height of the pedestal is equal to OA. So if I am able to calculate OA, my job is done. So this is my first equation. From triangle OAC tan 60 Yeah, sorry guys. Tan 60, same opposite side is AC divided by OA. So here I want the pedestal height. Pedestal height is only AB. So tan 60 is nothing but root 3 and AC can be written as AB plus BC by OA. So from the first equation, I can replace OA with the AB with OA. So root 3 is equal to AB, I don't know. That is what I have to calculate. BC is 1.6 and OA is nothing but AB only. From here, root 3 times of AB is equal to AB plus 1.6. From here, if I am taking AB on one side, root 3 minus 1 into AB will be equal to 1.6. So AB is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. When if I'm rationalizing the denominator, that I can get the simplest form. If I'm rationalizing the denominator, 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. This is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters is the height of the pedestal. Hope you are clear what I am trying to say. 0.8 into 2.732 and multiply, you will get the height of the pedestal in this case. Is it clear, students? Only the calculation part is important. From the algebra, basic calculation you have to understood how to calculate the unknown side. We are having the two relations, one unknown side, it will be easy to calculate. If anyone is not clear, please let me know, guys. I will explain. Please, students. This is one of the nice question where directly you won't get the answer here. You have to take one ratio and that ratio should be substituted in the second condition. Solving the second condition will give the answer. First condition, second condition, from the first condition. Using the first condition, you have to substitute in second condition. Solving the second condition will give the answer. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Hope you are able to hear now. Sorry, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, 10th one is not part of the syllabus because it contains two right angles. 10th question is contains two right angles, but anyway, we will see how to solve the questions like 10 containing two right angles. What kind of situations will you get up two right angles? Try to solve by your own. Try to depict the diagram. Try to solve it by your own. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 88 meters wide. From a point between them on the road, angle of elevations of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So try to depict the question. I will give 3 minutes time to visualize the situation. You let me know.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Dullah wants you to explain the eighth sum again, sir.
Eighth sum.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hello, is it possible? Can you able to speak?
Sir, he
Yeah.
has that issue, sir.
Yeah. So what is the eighth question says? This is a pedestal and this is a statue. AB is a pedestal and the top of the pedestal there is a statue. So there is an observer observing the, see here, if you look into this, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevations of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. He is observing on the top of the statue with an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. From the same point, so from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal means B, that is the starting point of the statue or bottom of the statue. The angle of elevation is 45. So here how many triangles you can see? OAB or OABA. So if I am taking triangle OAB, where AB is a pedestal, my job is I have to calculate the length of the AB, and where BC is the length of the statue is 1.6 meter is given. So this angle is 45 degrees and applied the ratio, but I don't know AB value and OA value, but I got a relation stating that AB is equal to OA with the help of this triangle. Is it clear up to first point? Ask him, madam, or at least you can type now. And you can type now. Sorry. Now I'm taking the another triangle. I'm drawing the another triangle with red color. Another triangle is like this. OAC. This AC is a combination of AB plus BC, where BC is 1.6. AB is, I don't know, that is only my job. So from here, if I'm taking OAC triangle, this is 60 degrees. If I'm taking tan 60, opposite side AC by OA, I don't know the OA value, but I know the tan 60 is root 3. AC can be written as AB plus BC, and OA can be written as OA. And from the first expression, see this from the first triangle, I got AB is equal to OA. That means I can replace OA with AB. So the denominator OA is replaced with AB. So now I got an expression with a single unknown value AB. So now my equation is root 3 is equal to AB, which is height of the pedestal, plus 1.6 by AB. I cross multiply. When cross multiply, root 3 times of AB is equal to AB plus 1.6. I'm taking AB this side. So this will be root 3 AB minus AB is equal to 1.6. If I'm taking AB common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. Now I'm taking this root 3 minus 1 this side. The root 3 minus 1 is multiplying with AB with the help of inverse transformation. AB is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. I am rationalizing. Rationalizing means multiplying root 3 plus 1 dividing with root 3 plus 1. So the numerator will become as 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. This is looking like A minus B into A plus B. Root 3 whole square minus 1 square, which will be this expression. So after that, general deduction only the final answer. Hope you are clear what I am saying. Yeah. Next question. When it comes to next question, I already told you it is not part of the syllabus because it contains the two right angle triangles. After depicting the diagram, how it will come, I will show you. There is a road. Suppose assume this is a road. And he is saying there are two poles of equal height standing opposite each other on either side of the road. There are two poles standing on each there are the two poles of same height. Suppose if I am taking two poles, AB is one pole, and I am taking PQ also another pole of same height. It is like this. There are two poles, like two electrical poles or two any kind of two poles. PQ is two poles, and there is a point here such that he didn't mention pole 1 or pole 2 or something. He didn't mention. He is observing from this point to one pole with an angle of elevation of 30 degrees, the remaining pole with an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. It is very clear which is nearer to the pole having more angle, which is far away from the pole is having lesser angle. But in the diagram, little because of three-dimensional diagram, it's showing little bit differently. So this is the situation. Are you clear with the situation here? AB and PQ are the poles and OE is the observation point. He is asking find the heights of the poles and the distances of the points from the poles. He is asking OB value, this distance from each pole, and as well as height of the pole. And only the condition is angle of elevations are given and the total distance is 80 meter and height, both the heights are same. Is it clear? Is the situation is clear? Guys, is the situation is clear before going to solving the question? Guys, yes or no, please.
Yes, understood, sir.
Yeah, now I'm arranging this. No, I don't want to, guys. So I'm trying to, so each, this whole diagram you no need to draw, only for understanding purpose I'm drawing. If I'm trying to draw in a two-dimensional, this is a AB is one pole, PQ also same height. There is a point, one pole he is observing with 60 degrees and remaining pole he is observing with 30 degrees. The total distance, width of the road is 80 meters. And he is saying AB is equal to PQ. That is only the data we are having. So AB is equal to PQ, heights of the poles. AP is the distance between the poles. Which is equal to 80 meter. 60 degrees, 30 degrees is angle of elevations. From O, angle of elevations from O. If I'm assuming OA is equal to X meter, that means the observing point from one pole, that is AB pole is X meter. OP will be equal to 80 minus X meter. I am taking one triangle. I'm taking first triangle. I am getting a relation. So my job is I have to calculate AB and PQ and X value. ABO and this angle is 60 degrees. Tan 60 is equal to, suppose if I'm taking this is H and this is X. H by X, which is √3 is equal to H by X. So height of the pole is √3 times of X. This is my first equation. Is everyone is clear up to this? Is everyone clear up to this? Please, students. Is everyone clear up to this? Say yes or no. I can move to the next step of this question. Guys, Durlav, is clear up to here? Harita.
Yes,
So
sir.
can you repeat,
Yes,
sir?
See, I'm taking, is the diagram is clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm taking triangle OAB and I found the, I'm taking the AB is H meters, OB is X meters and applied the tan 60 value here. Understood? What I done?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm taking remaining triangle. So I got one condition stating that the height of the pole will be equal to √3 times of X, where X is the distance between the AB pole and observation point O. I'm taking the another triangle. How the another triangle looks? Another triangle is like this. O, P, Q. So we know both the heights of the poles are same. So PQ is equal to H meters. This is 80 minus X because the total distance between poles is 18 meters. So one if we from O to B is X meters. So the remaining distance is 80 minus X. So this angle of elevation is 30 degrees. From here, if I am applying tan 30, opposite side is H, adjacent side is 80 minus X. So 1 by √3 is equal to H by 80 minus X. So substitute this H value here. Understood what I am doing, students? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So we know H is equal to √3 times of X. So 1 by √3 is equal to √3 times of X by 80 minus X. If I'm cross multiplying, 80 minus X is equal to √3 into, sorry, yeah, √3 into √3x. This will be 80 minus x is equal to 3x. 80 is equal to 4x. From here, x is equal to 20 meter. So once you got the x value, everything is over. OA is equal to 20 meter. OP is equal to 60 meter. H is equal to 20 √3 meter. That means the observation point is 20 meter from one pole, 60 meter from remaining pole, and height of the poles is 20 √3 meter. Is it clear how to solve this question? Done. Completed? Students, please let me know. Understood? Anyone want to discuss anything from this question, or I need to repeat this question, please, students? Guys, please respond. Is it clear?
Completed, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We'll move to the next question. 11th question. It's not, it's a scope of the syllabus only. 11th question, it's very easy because the diagram is given. The 11th question is easy because of the diagram is given. So when the diagram is given, it will be quite easy for us. So try to solve the 11th question by your own. The diagram is given, visualization is more easier than remaining questions, because it will be easy to understand the situation if the diagram, they gave the diagram and they are referring the question something related to the diagram. Complete these 5 questions. Quick. Try to solve this question. Anyone got the answer?
Sir, I got CB as 10, sir, 10 meters, sir, and DB as 30 meters, sir.
Yeah, let's see. We'll solve and we'll see how much we are getting. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of canal from a point on the other bank. Directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation on the top of the tower is 60 degrees from the another point 20 meters away from the point of the line joining of the point. Line joining of this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees as shown. So he's asking finally what is the height of the tower and width of the canal. He's asking the value of BC and AB. Am I right? Triangles point of view, he's asking the values of BC and AB. Am I right? Students, correct or not? AB is a tower height. He's asking the value
Yes,
of
sir.
BC. AB is how much? BC is how much? So, if I'm taking triangle ABC, tan 30, if I'm taking, it is AB by BD. AB by BD means AB by 20 plus BC. It is 1 by root 3 divided by AB by, because BC plus CD. BD is nothing but BC plus CD. So 20 plus BC. If I'm cross multiplying, AB into root 3 is equals 20 plus BC. Keep it like this, because I'm having two variables, one equation can't help to solve this one. But if I'm taking triangle, is it clear how I done the first equation? How I got the first equation? Is everyone is clear with the first equation? How I got? Is it clear, students? How I got the first equation?
Sir.
Yeah. Triangle ABC. If I'm taking tan 60, same, AB by BC. We know tan 60 is root 3, AB by BC. From here, AB is equal to root 3 times of BC. This is my second equation. If I'm substituting this AB value here, second equation in first equation. So root 3 times of BC into root 3 will be equal to 20 plus BC. That is 3 times BC will be equal to 20 plus BC. So 2 times BC is equal to 20. BC is equal to, as she mentioned, it is 10 meters. Once I got the BC value, substituting the BC value in the second equation will give the height of the tower, TV tower, root 3 times of 20. So the height of the TV tower is 20 root 3 meter. Am I right, ma'am? Correct? Somebody gave the answers. Is it right? Yes or no, students? Please. Guys, I think somebody got the answer. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, sir, I also got the same answer, sir.
Anyone having any doubt with this question, how I solved? Please let me know. I will repeat what are the wherever you are not clear.
Sir, AB will be 10 root 3.
How AB will be? AB is equal to AB is equal to root 3 times of BC. Correct, 10 root 3. Sorry, ma'am, it's my mistake.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So 10 root 3. And root 3 meter. Shall I move to the next question? Can we move to the next question, students? Can we move to the next question, students? Yes or no, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 14, 15, 16. So we'll do this. We'll try to do these two questions, and I will share the worksheets. We'll wind up the session with these two questions. Yeah, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of the foot is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. So here, this is also comes under two right angle triangles. The diagram contains two right angles. But we'll see. Here there are two things. One is a building of height 7 meter. Suppose if I am taking AB is a building of height 7 meter and a cable tower, we don't know the height. If I am taking the horizontal line from BC, it is meeting the cable tower at B dash, where PQ is the cable tower, and at B, from the top of the tower, he is saying top of the cable tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression is 45 degrees from the top of a 7. So he is observing from the top of the building to the top of the tower with an angle of 60 degrees and angle of depression is 45 degrees. That means this angle is also 45 from the transversal lines concept. B dash is parallel to AP, straight away you can take. Now, you represent AB is 7 meter, which is equal to building height of the building height, and PQ is cable tower, which height doesn't know. So the angle of elevation is 60 degrees and angle of depression is 45 degrees. 60 degrees is the angle of elevation from top of building and 45 degrees is the angle of depression from top of the building to the top of tower to bottom of tower. Now he is asking us to calculate the height of the tower. If I know the value of B dash Q and B dash P, then my job is over. We know what is the value of B dash P. The B dash P value is 7 meters because I am taking an horizontal line from B to the tower, which is parallel to the ground level. So automatically PB dash is 7 meters. So remaining is what? B dash Q. How to calculate the B dash Q? From the triangle B dash P Q. I'm taking the triangle B dash Q. The angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So tan 60 is equal to B dash Q by BB dash, which will be equal to root 3 is equal to B dash Q by BB dash. This is first equation. Next one is from the triangle BB dash P. This is a BB dash P. B dash P. The angle of depression is 45 degrees. Tan 45 from here is PB dash divided by BB dash, which is equal to BB dash opposite side. Sorry guys, extremely sorry. PB dash divided by BB dash. We know PB dash is 7 and horizontal line we don't know. From here tan 45 is 1, 7 by BB dash, which is nothing but BB dash is 7 meter. Now I know the value of BB dash. This is second equation. Is it clear how I got the first equation and second equation, students? Is it clear how I got the first equation and second equation? Anyone having any doubt with respect to the first equation and second equation? Anyone having any doubt with respect to first equation and second equation?
No,
Students,
sir.
please.
No
Yeah.
doubt, sir.
So using the first equation and second equation, substitute the BB dash value in the first equation to calculate the B dash Q. Root 3 by B dash Q divided by BB dash. Substituting this equation here, root 3 will be equal to B dash Q by 7. From here, B dash Q is equal to 7 root 3 meter. This is not enough. We need the height of the tower. Height of the tower is equal to PQ, which is known as PB dash plus B dash Q. PB dash is 7, B dash Q is 7 root 3. So answer is 7 of root 3 plus 1 meter. Hope you are clear what I done here. Anyone having any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. So we'll meet in the next class. Please try to solve some more questions. If there is a possibility, I will try to share the worksheet. We'll meet in next class, guys. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.